Do you need to change the phone number linked to your Sephora account? In this video, I will show you how to update your phone number on Sephora step by step. Keeping your phone number up to date helps ensure you receive order updates, delivery notifications, and account security alerts. So let's go to know how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Sephora app or account, as you see here. Then in this first page you will find your profile, so you will tap on your profile here in this button. In this list you will scrolling down until you find something called account, so you will tap on account here. After that, here you will find your number, so you will click on edit, and then you will delete your previous number here, and you will add another number, as you see. And you will confirm your number again. Then you click sign me up for text from Sephora, and then we click on save. And when you click save here, then you can know how to update or change your phone number on Sephora in easy ways. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.